Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're watching this, you're probably frustrated because your Way2Go card keeps getting declined, especially with all the updates coming in 2025. Don't worry. I'm here to walk you through some simple, effective fixes that can get your card up and running again in no time. Whether it's for your benefits, payments, or everyday spending, a declining card can be a real headache, but most issues are easy to resolve with a few quick steps. First things first, let's start with the basics. Step 1. Check your card balance. Sometimes, it's as simple as running low on funds. Log into the Way2Go website or app, make sure you're using the latest version for 2025 updates, and verify your available balance. If it's insufficient, add funds through direct deposit or linked account. Next, in Step 2, double-check your account status. There might be a hold or a security flag on your card. Look for any notifications in your app about potential issues, like unauthorized transactions or expired information. If you see something suspicious, report it immediately to prevent further problems. Moving on to Step 3. Update your personal details. With new regulations in 2025, ensuring your address, phone number, and other info is current is crucial. Head to the account settings and make any necessary changes. This often resolves verification errors that cause declines. Step 4. Restart your device or clear the app cache. Tech glitches happen, especially after updates. Try logging out and back in, or even uninstalling and reinstalling the app to refresh everything. Finally, if none of that works, Step 5. Contact customer support. Reach out via the helpline or chat feature on the Way2Go site. Be ready with your card details and a description of the issue. They can investigate and fix things on their end. There you have it. By following these steps, you should have your Way2Go card working smoothly again. Remember, staying proactive with your account can save you a lot of hassle. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.